Hello guys, and welcome to Tech It Simple. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to add other members to your Facebook Messenger group. Now, let's begin. Let's go to Facebook. On the top right corner, between the menu and the bell icon, there lies the Messenger. Just click on it and select the group. Inside the group, you can see something like Name, which allows you to change the name of the group, or Add, which allows you to add other people into the group. You can also click on the group chat settings. Just click on it and scroll down, and here you will also see Add Members. Now, let's try to add some people. Well, there are lots of people I can add from. Let's just add one. Let's add them. And this is how you add other people to the group. Well, guys, if you want to add others, you can follow the same process again, and that's how you do it. For more informative content like this, do remember to hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.